Hello, garden lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home garden decor and design. Today, we delve into the transformative world of fence garden design and learn to transform garden fence from a plain boundary to a stunning design feature. Before watching this video, kindly please support this channel by clicking subscribe, leaving a comment or hit the like button, and sharing it with your friends and family. Often overlooked, the garden fence presents a unique canvas for creativity and an opportunity to enhance both the aesthetics and functionality of your outdoor sanctuary. Let us embark on an exploration of this fascinating aspect of landscape design. To begin our discussion, it is crucial to establish a clear understanding of what exactly constitutes fence garden design. Fundamentally, fence garden design refers to the strategic and artistic integration of a fence into the overall design of a garden. It transcends the mere function of a boundary marker or security measure, evolving into an active element that contributes to the garden's visual appeal, atmosphere, and even its ecological balance. This involves considering the fence's material, style, height, and color in relation to the surrounding flora, hardscaping, and the overall design theme of the garden. Furthermore, it encompasses the intentional use of the fence as a backdrop or support structure for plants, decorations, and other design features. In essence, fence garden design is about transforming a utilitarian structure into a captivating and integral component of your outdoor living space. Now, let us consider the myriad advantages that a well-executed fence garden design can offer. Beyond its obvious role in defining property lines and providing a degree of privacy and security, a thoughtfully designed fence can significantly enhance the aesthetic value of your garden. It can serve as a unifying element, tying together different areas of the garden and providing a sense of enclosure and intimacy. Moreover, a fence offers vertical space for gardening, allowing you to cultivate climbing plants, espaliered fruit trees, or even vertical vegetable gardens, maximizing the use of limited space. This vertical dimension can introduce layers of texture, color, and fragrance to your garden. Furthermore, a fence can act as a windbreak, protecting delicate plants from harsh weather conditions, and can also help to create microclimates within the garden. By strategically incorporating design elements onto or around the fence, you can also create focal points, add seasonal interest, and personalize your outdoor space to reflect your unique style and preferences. How do I decorate my fence garden? Designed to look beautiful? Achieving a beautiful fence garden design involves a thoughtful combination of plant selection, decorative elements, and structural enhancements. Consider the following strategies to elevate the visual appeal of your fence. First, embrace climbing plants. Train vines such as clematis, climbing roses, ivy, or honeysuckle to grow along the fence. Their foliage and flowers will soften the hard lines of the fence and introduce vibrant color and texture. Second, install wall-mounted planters. Utilize vertical space by attaching planters filled with colorful annuals, cascading foliage plants, or herbs. This adds visual interest at different heights. Third, hang decorative items. Incorporate weather-resistant artwork, mirrors, lanterns, or wind chimes to inject personality and charm into your fence line. Mirrors can create an illusion of depth and space. Fourth, create a living wall. For a more ambitious project, consider creating a living wall system on your fence. This involves attaching modular planters or fabric pockets to house a variety of plants, transforming the fence into a verdant tapestry. Fifth, utilize espaliered plants. Train fruit trees or ornamental shrubs to grow flat against the fence. This not only saves space, but also creates a unique and artistic focal point. Sixth, incorporate lighting. Install outdoor lighting fixtures along the fence to illuminate your garden at night, highlighting the textures of the plants and decorative elements and creating a warm and inviting ambiance. 7th, paint or stain the fence. Choose a paint or stain color that complements your garden's overall color scheme. A fresh coat can instantly revitalize an aging fence. Consider using contrasting colors for planters or decorative elements. 8th, add shelving units. Attach small shelves to the fence to display potted plants, garden ornaments, or even small tools. 9th, integrate natural materials. Incorporate natural elements like driftwood, woven branches, or stone accents along the base of the fence to create a more organic and textured look. 10th, create a themed display. Design a specific theme for your fence decoration, such as a cottage garden style with overflowing flowers or a more minimalist approach with geometric planters and sculptural elements. What are the best plants for fence garden design? Selecting the most suitable flora is paramount for a thriving and visually appealing fence garden design. The optimal plant choices will invariably be influenced by your specific regional climate, the inherent qualities of your soil, the amount of sunlight that graces your fence line, and, of course, your individual aesthetic inclinations. Nevertheless, several categories and specific examples of plants lend themselves exceptionally well to integration with fences. Climbing vines, for instance, offer a natural and often vigorous way to soften the fence's structure and introduce vertical interest. Consider the diverse blooms of clematis, the classic romance of climbing roses, the fragrant allure of honeysuckle, the dependable evergreen coverage of ivy. Try opting for non-invasive varieties. The exotic charm of passionflower, the sweet-scented jasmine, the vibrant autumnal hues of Virginia creeper, the dramatic spring cascades of wisteria, even requiring robust support, the quick-growing beauty of morning glory, and the fragrant, cut-flower potential of sweet pea. For those utilizing wall-mounted planters, trailing flowers such as petunias, geraniums, lobelia, and verbena create delightful cascades of color. Foliage plants like ferns, succulents, and creeping jenny offer textural contrast. Culinary enthusiasts might consider herbs such as rosemary, thyme, oregano, and mint, while strawberries provide an edible and attractive display. Finally, espaliered plants trained to grow flat against the fence offer a unique artistic element. Fruit trees like apples, pears, figs, and peaches, but try to selecting dwarf or semi-dwarf varieties, and ornamental shrubs such as pyracantha, camellia, and forsythia are excellent choices for this technique. As we conclude our exploration of fence garden design, it becomes evident that this often underestimated element of the garden holds immense potential for creativity and enhancement. By viewing your fence not just as a boundary, but as a blank canvas, you unlock a wealth of opportunities to integrate beauty, functionality, and personal style into your outdoor space. We encourage you to embrace these ideas and transform your garden fence into a captivating feature that brings joy and visual interest to your home. Thank you for joining us today on Garden Decor Designs. We hope this guide has inspired you to reimagine your garden fence. Do you have any favorite fence garden design ideas? Share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more inspiring gardening and design tips. Happy gardening!